Oshe, straight to the topic now. We back. We are here. If you know say you go make am in this Russia Federation, please. Just they pray now, they say amen, they dance. Then go they fucking hate you, man. Anybody where they hate me, say they do this program, they didn't concern me. If you are jealous, say why not be me? Now your problem. God bless you guys for joining by DJ Not I see you. I'm coming back now. I might take water. We go make am. If you don't say you can make am, send me a request if you want to contribute, okay? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you're watching me. I welcome everybody here in the name of the Father and the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Please be safe wherever you're watching me. Thank you guys for supporting this program. Thank you for staying around. Thank you for always being with Don Zubi. And the topic of today goes this way, okay? Let's go to the topic now, okay? So, Mr. Falabi, please stay tuned, okay? Let's go to the topic now. It goes this way. If you find out your husband is a gay or your wife is a lesbian, what will you do? This is the topic for today. So let's go back. Send me a request. Keep your... I am ready to take everyone call now. Please send me your request now. Okay? Send me your request. Mikirij, I see you. What's up?
Yeah, Don Zubi. Hello.
Hold up. Good morning, good afternoon. Please tell us your name and where you're calling us from, please.
Yeah, my name is First John. I will always call you, you know.
First John chapter 6. We are here again. Please, where are you calling us from, please?
I'm calling from Lagos anyways. Lagos, Nigeria.
Okay, Lagos, Nigeria. Welcome to the morning show with Don Zubi. And our topic for today goes this way. If you find out your husband is a gay or your wife is a lesbian, what will you do?
First of all, I try to change her. If she doesn't change, I cannot handle that.
If you're trying to change her?
Yeah, she doesn't change. If it is someone I truly love and I want to be with, and immediately I find out, I will try to change her. I'll talk to her, please, you need to stop. So if she doesn't change, if I cannot change her, is a no for me. She will go, because as a Christian, I'm a Christian, so I am only preaching what I know. It is written somewhere in the scriptures that the only reason you should put away your wife, your husband, is for adultery, right? So any couple who commits adultery is biblically backed up. You can divorce the person. If you cannot handle it, you put away the wife or the husband. So that having extramarital sex is not an.
So someone say if I find out that my wife is a lesbian, I will invite her partner to have for threesome.
People are crazy now. People are crazy.
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead, sir.
People are crazy. A lot of people can do that. So, but me, it's not safe. I don't like it. I wouldn't really take that anyways. How can I come and start be doing that with my wife, doing threesome? How now? You know, makes sense now.
So, what of is after having like 3 children or 2 children with you, you find out your wife is a lesbian, you know, will you also leave her to go away with her partner that normally do with her?
What I would do is, like I told you earlier, I will surely approach her and try to make her change. So I'll speak to her, say, please, you better stop for the sake of these kids, the marriage and all that, and God also, the fear of God and the rest of them. So change. If she doesn't change, man, she have to go. Of course.
Okay, your advice, please, your advice for the lesbian and for the gays.
My advice is this: before you marry anyone, try find out their status, their sexual status, like what they could do.
Sir, some will hide it from you. You will not know. You will not know, sir. Please.
Are you sure? Someone who really loves you want to get married to will hide it from you.
Some are hiding it. Please, if someone know if I'm wrong, you guys should put me wrong, all right? Okay, please.
Yeah, some people are like that. You know, some can be complicated anyway. But to me, before I get married to you, man, we have to dig ourselves. We dig out everything.
Okay.
We are one person. So I tell you my top secret, you tell me your top secret. That's how it works. They just took the light. NEPA sees light. No, Nigeria. Oh, God. Oh.
Well, okay, you don't take your light.
They just take light. Oh.
Please, which country is that? Which country is that?
It's Nigeria now. Which country again? It's Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Yeah.
No Martin, no Martin. We know.
That's so now.
So, is there any other thing you want to say?
I don't have any other thing. My own thing is just simple. It's just simple. It's a simple thing. It's not safe that you're having extramarital affairs, be it with a lady of the same sex or whatever. So after approaching you that woman, this thing you're doing is not right for our marriage and otherwise and all that. You don't want to change. Then you're leaving. We have to divorce.
We're not go divorce. Okay.
We go divorce now because you don't go extra mile. First of all, I'm not just gonna put you away immediately. I just have to tell you have to change. I'll give you some times to change because nobody is perfect. Yeah. So when I found out you're into that already, then I try to change you. But when is a problem is trying to change you and you're not trying to change. So it's where I'm gonna have an issue with you. So that's all.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for your opinion and for your topic, for contributing. God bless you. God bless you.
Bless you too,
God bless you. So you have heard from our brother say he's going to try and change his wife, but if the wife don't want to comply with the changing, he's going to divorce the wife because he cannot be seeing his wife be doing other thing. I don't want to say it in my mouth. He don't want to see his wife doing that thing. He's saying go pursue his wife. And our caller also said that he would prefer his wife to be a lesbian than to the cheat with fellow man. He say no, he no one follow man thing. Say it's better if you then tell am make him choose. Say if there is no any other way, say him fit choose that lesbian. Say it's better for him wife to dey make lesbian than make him wife to go dey cheat with another man. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think that the man make a right decision by saying that wife to with fellow girl, or make him go sleep with fellow man? Say no wonder man, no be every man go fit bear that thing. Say another man dey meet your wife. You understand? But if you still hear am say your wife dey go out with a fellow girl, you know say na just na get in, you can easily do and come back. You know. So if you think say in dey right or wrong, please send me your request. Let's hear your own talk. The show don't start, so send me your request now. So many people say Zubi, we have talked too much on that topic, the other one. Now we are on this topic now. Send me a request. I'm not seeing your request, okay? Send me a request. Let me see your request coming, so that let's see what you have up there, whether you agree with the caller or not. Okay. Okay. Where is Tony? Where is Tony? Lord talk, so send me request now. I am waiting. Where is Tony? Tony want to speak. Where is Tony? Lord talk, so no man can say no. Yeah. Yeah. Ayo.
Zubi.
Hold up. Please, hold up there. Hold up, please. Tell us your name and where you're calling us from, please.
My name is Lulu. I'm the one that spoke before. The first call.
Okay,
No,
you are the one that spoke
caller.
before. About
Yeah,
what?
the second caller, right? About the lesbian thing now.
Okay, about the lesbian. Okay, what
You
do you
say
want
you
to
call
say
me
again? What do you
back.
want to say again?
You say you will call me back now, isn't it?
Eh?
You say you will call me back.
It's still because I don't. It's not that right time. Do you still want to add any other thing? Some people are saying that the lesbian. Okay, some people are saying the lesbian thing is not a spirit. You know, I have a lot of people that are saying it's not a spirit. I don't know what it is, but my caller Afolabi said that he will prefer you to educate people on that because you have the experience, you have been there, and you are saying your facts on live videos program. So he believe that he said he's not even a pastor need to deliver someone from a lesbian. See you in a better position to rescue someone from the lesbian. So what do you have to say about that? And is he a bad spirit?
Of course, it's a bad spirit. Because you seeing yourself being a lesbian is not a good thing.
Okay.
Because it keeps you away from guys. I know because I have the experience before.
Okay.
It keep you away from guys. Then I don't even mingle with boys. A guys will come to my area, then cute boys, fine, rich boys, but I don't even look at them. I always focus on my girl. Because I'm always like, if I just go out with a guy, maybe the girl must, as in maybe will see me. You understand? So it doesn't make any sense. It's not good. I call it bad spirit because the day I went to church with my elder sister and Deeper Life, so I had this preaching. So it changed my life. It's not as if I went to conference to pastor to pray for me. No. They're just preaching. Yeah, they're just preaching.
What happened?
They're just preaching, you understand? So I was like, this thing I'm doing is not good. I realized that moment. I was doing this more than a year plus. No, when I came to this place, I just give example. I just use myself as an example. You understand? Even in my area then, those people that they are staying with us, they don't even know what we are doing. They doesn't know the kind of life me and that girl was living then. But they are calling us bestie.
Okay, they don't know the kind of life they live. They call them bestie.
Yes. But we don't make with boys. Andy know about this I'm talking about. He knows about it because we both live in the same area. Andy was my uncle then.
Andy Olimo State?
Yes. We live in the same area then.
I know him.
Yes. So he knows what I'm talking about. But they don't see us like that.
Okay, someone say yes, it's a bad spirit. Okay. But some people are saying it's not a bad spirit.
I don't know for them. For me, I know what I passed through then when I was doing that rubbish. Because every minute we are kissing, smooching, or fingering ourselves, it doesn't make sense, bro. It don't make sense.
When they do what? It's when they do something.
Smooching, kissing, fingering ourselves. It doesn't make sense. We enjoy it that time. But when I was growing up, I was asking myself, am I stupid? So when I had sex with my first boyfriend, I told him, I was like, look, he said, you do it? I said, yes. I did this in more than a year plus. You understand?
More than a year plus. It's a long time shit, too.
What?
It's a very big, long time. Oh.
Very, very long. I said, we're not a make with boys for area. For only me and Sandra, if they come out for, we sit down for where.
Someone say giving head? Huh.
No, we doesn't do head. We don't do that. We finger, smooching, kissing, mostly kissing, smooching, and all that. But we doesn't do head. You understand? So if the time where we say the thing won't come the day obvious, like everybody won't come, even my elder sister when they stay with them, won't come they understand me. Because anytime we see each other, that spirit will just, we big kiss for road. Deep kissing, we see stand like this, kiss like not rubbish. You get it? And we always pray, say, may I want they come up for us. Because she na last born, me na last born. So our parents always go work Monday to Saturday. And that is where we always do our rubbish. When we go lecture, we sit in the same chair. The rubbish way they do, me say, we know they give each other space. We doesn't give space. So one day when I went to church with my elder sister in Deeper Life, I will not forget that day. So they always preach about this rubbish. I was like, this is rubbish, really rubbish. Because she bought me a gift like earring, tights, many things. You understand? So I see it as a bad spirit, my brother. I don't advise anyone to.
Please, some people I don't know whether those people say it's not a bad spirit, whether those people are still watching now. You can hear it from our sister mouth. She say it's a bad spirit. Some people will say it's not a bad spirit. I don't know.
As big as I am, I will just keep my body like this for a girl to be doing rubbish. My body needs to be with a man.
Hold up.
You understand? So my dear, it's not advisable to be with a girl like lesbian. What are you enjoying? It's rubbish for me. I did it for more than a year. I see that it's rubbish. The girl just got married. Sandra just got married last year, December. We both talk. I said, Sandra, he said, don't stop and take it. He said, as I move, and I saw him move. He don't stop that rubbish. And the husband where they married today, tell him, say, see, the life where don't live when it is small. It's a bad spirit. I won't tell you that.
not bad spirit, is evil.
Yeah, evil and bad spirit is the same. His bad spirit is evil. It's just the same, but it's not good. It's not advisable for me. I don't know where people. I don't like to read comments. You understand? I'm a very shy.
No, you don't need to read comment. No problem. I will be choosing the comment.
Yes, it's not good. You understand? For me, I say it is a bad spirit for me. It's not good.
So, what are you telling the people that do that lesbian as we speak now? I know, say, if I'm not wrong or if I'm right, I know there's some people they do that lesbian thing now and gay thing now. What will be your last advice? Because I will not bring you again, okay? What will be your last advice? Because people with the doubt.
Yeah, my advice to them is that they should stay away from it. It's not good. It's not advisable. Lesbian, gay, is not good. You understand? It's not good. I'm telling you the truth. It's not good. If you are doing it, I don't know what you are gaining, what you are gaining inside. But me, I didn't gain anything. I don't know what you are gaining, but it's not good. It's very wrong.
Someone says it's not bad spirit, it's a mindset.
It's a very wrong lifestyle. You understand? I'm not advising anyone to be doing it. Please, just pray and let that spirit leave you.
Amen.
Just pray and let that spirit leave you alone. Amen. It's not a good spirit. Seeing your fellow girl be falling in love with your fellow girl, is he right? Are you okay? It's not good. You understand? It's not good. It's
Please
not
look for a boyfriend. Look for a girlfriend. So, my sister, thank you. Thank you, my sister. Thank you one more time again. God bless you. Keep watching.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Please, if you want to contribute, send me a request now, okay? If you want to contribute, send me a request. She said she's a bad spirit, okay? You guys are there questioning, arguing, doing this, doing that. She have said her mind. She have said what she have to say. If you like, believe. If you like, send me a request. Let's hear your own. You wait there, they talk. Waiting be your own. Kojo. Ashy.
Yeah, Zubi.
Whoa, hold up. Please tell us your name and where you're calling us from, please.
Zubi, this is Kojo. I'm calling from Moscow.
You're calling from Moscow. Big shout out to you, my Kojo brother, calling from Moscow City. So, those are money question show. Our topic goes this way. If you find that your husband is a gay or your wife is a gay, what will you do?
For me as a person, like if I find out after marriage that my wife is a lesbian, I'll divorce her. I'll leave her. Yes, I'll leave my wife. I don't care whatever it takes. Whether we have babies, we have kids, or whatever it is, I will divorce her.
Please.
Yes, Zubi, don't be surprised. You see, when you enter into marriage or before you go on that altar to confess or to make your promises to each other, don't forget that there is a saying that goes with in secret, in death, in sorrow, in everything. So death do us apart. I mean, so if I have been able to go into a relationship with you for like a year or even to spend 2 days, it's not something small at all. So now, if you have been able to live with you for a couple of years, and then after that we get married, and then you have been able to hide from me about what you do, and then I later find out that you are a lesbian. I mean, you do this shit, Zubi. I will divorce you. You know, gay has to be. I will divorce you, Strazo. I'll divorce you. And I've been listening to a couple of what people were really saying and all that. You see, Zubi, I don't see lesbian to be something like spirit. Lesbian is not spirit. You see, lesbian is a decision making. Lesbian is mind set up, mind made up. See, we have
so many women out there.
they are based on bad experience in their relationship they have gone through. They will just get up and make up a decision that I will never date any man, and I will be a lesbian. I will date a lesbian. I will be doing. You know, there are a lot of thousands of women out there have made up their mind because of bad relationship they went through. Are you telling me that it was a bad spirit that went into them? Are you telling me that for people, a lot of women out there that have left into relationship, have left their bad relationship and have gone into lesbianism? It's a mind made up because they chose not to go into any relationship with any man. You understand? So it was a mind made up. It was a decision they made. You understand? What about those people? Was it spirit that entered them or whatever it is? Zubi, you see this life? Fine, the spirit exists, but what kind of spirit entered this person? Let me tell you something, Zubi. You see, when the girl was talking, she said that she was enjoying it when she was doing it. Even sometimes she would like her family to even leave the house so that she can enjoy it. It's like she became addicted. Let me tell you something, Zubi. In nature, when you are a kid or even as you are grown up like this, when you get up from house and you are going to work, because you have a toilet in your house and you have a where you can pee, or even let me use outside. Let's say you are outsider. Whenever you get out of your house, there is a place at the corner of your house that you pee. Anytime you pee, automatically you are getting used to it. Nature-wise, naturally, you are getting used to that pee. So anytime, have you noticed that anytime you want to, you are in town and you want to go to toilet, you want to go to toilet. The moment the toilet, as soon as you feel like you want to go to toilet, the more you begin to feel it, then you are like, let me try to keep it. But whenever you are getting close to the toilet where you can go and shit, the toilet becomes more. That as if the toilet wants to come out. Do you understand that? It is something that, we create it to become part of us. People that are into lesbianism or gay, they have become part of it. They have really become part of it. This is nothing like spirit or whatever it is. It's like initiating. It's like if I'm gay, automatically I'm gay, and so I would have to made up my mind that I like guys. So if you like guys, that means you begin to be admiring guys. It not be spirit where they control your mind. Now spirit they control your mind. Even God where He creates human being, they control human mind. God said that I have given you your own will to choose what you want to do. So the spirit will come enter your mind. God Himself not get control over your mind. How much more spirit? Who controls spirit? You understand? So Zubi, anything that is happening on this earth, it is we humans. It's our mind it's our decision making. There's nothing like spirit or whatever it is. But I'm so happy that this our sister that spoke. I mean, she I like her in a way that, in a sense that she's bold, and to become a lesbian or gay is not a good thing. And I like the fact that she came out to give. I like the fact that she. Someone said that. You see, the word Zubi, I'm not even listening to the comments, but what I'm saying is that all these things, the girl was bold enough to come out to give all the platform, express, and still advise people not to go into it. She did the perfect thing. She's perfect. But the only thing that I contradict her is that when she's thinking that it's a spirit or it's evil. First of all, what is spirit and what is evil? Zubi, there's nothing, you see, in everything, God not be full. Without good, you cannot know the effectiveness or the goodness of evil. Without evil, you cannot know the effectiveness of good. So you see, even light, and can you switch on light without negative and positive? You can never switch on light without negative and positive. So negativity is always very important in human life. It's part with us. Negativity is always part with human nature. You understand? You cannot lie. So with all due respect, you cannot just get up and say spirit don't overcome you, and then you want to know. Not the mind made up, not decision made up. You understand? Maybe probably this girl that she called before you put me on call. Maybe this girl, the other sister is the one that maybe when they are sleeping she'll be touching some part of her body, and then she fell for it as she was growing up. she was liking it. So as she was liking it, she began to. They both made up their mind. Okay, then let's be touching each other. That's how it happened. You know, the spirit. You know, the spirit, Zubi. This is not spirit. You understand? So we should all be careful about the way we make our decisions, and then we should respect nature. We don't need to cheat nature, Zubi. You understand? Because nature is very strong, Zubi. So, I've never kissed any man. I have never kissed any man before, and never ever will I kiss a man. Why will I kiss my fellow man? There's nothing will make me do that. Nothing will make me do that bullshit, bro.
You said what? Yeah, Zubi, what are you saying? I know they hear you. Zubi, I know they hear you. I know they hear you.
Official just joining us.